give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine.
Want to make sure yung camaraderie talaga is nandoon. Yung kasing essence talaga ng team building na to is to build more camaraderie. With different cluster, different teams, pinagsama-sama namin sila.
Everyone has a soul, so
So we are here in Sharkon Resort, having our team building. So just to let you guys know, the reason why we needed this much event is for connection.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Sobrang layo ng mga nilakad namin, pero we finished the struggle with a smile. And the biggest impact for me dito, again, I will just repeat it, it's the unity.
Cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing, nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
This is the first time na nagkaroon ako ng team building together with my cluster.
The significance of this team building for me is, unity. It's actually rare to see people who don't know each other or they just met here in the team building who, build trust they trust their teammates to achieve what the task that they're assigned to.
This event is really for you guys as a way of saying thank you sa lahat ng hard work, dedication, and for making our clients satisfied all the time. Keep it up.
One of our core values is connection. We need to make sure that we are fully connected personally and professionally to our VAs.
Sobrang worth it niya yung mga ginawa namin dahil nakakapagod from shift. And I'm very grateful for everyone na pumunta dito, na nakisama sa amin.
Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung ginagawa ninyo for the company. The company will not be as successful as what we have right now kung wala kayo. You are the backbone talaga.